on Tilt Trading with the live crypto market open analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy. Today is July 2nd, 2025. And currently watching Bitcoin here for a potential short trade. Walk you through what I'm seeing here on the higher time frames and then go into the hour for more detail. Still working out the kinks of this new trading system that I'm working on, keeping the account size small and keeping the risk small. Here on the daily chart, currently in an uptrend here on the daily chart with the 9 EMA trading above the 18 EMA here. Also with this price action here, still failed to get pullback at least to the equilibrium level. So looking for pullback here on the higher time frame, at least to the equilibrium level. But right now, still showing strength here overall on the daily after a reaction from this level down here. And we can see here today we have a breakout higher than yesterday. Also have a breakout lower than yesterday. So this candle today engulfing yesterday's candle. Here on the 4 hour, we get this displacement yesterday. And then now we're getting pullback from that displacement. The 9 EMA is still trading below the 18 EMA. So this, or at least I'm short bias for Bitcoin today based on the 4 hour chart. It's not trading in tandem with the daily chart, but the daily chart could be trailing here. But I'm seeing with this type of displacement, seeing pullback here. The Fibonacci retracement tool here is set here to the range, to this Fibonacci range. And my entry point, I've got a limit order set at the 79% level at 107.9732. Just from what I've been seeing price action wise, the majority of pullbacks from these types of or from this type of price being delivered here from these displacements, Bitcoin consistently pulls back to the 79% level. So me trying to work on my risk to reward and get better entries, also only trying to enter on limit orders and really trying to focus on optimal trade entry setups for the open or for my kill zone or my trading window. So just really trying to focus on getting OTEs and expanding that and using the higher time frame models which the institutional traders would trade off of, and basing my daily analysis here off the daily chart and the 4 hour chart, with the 4 hour chart being my primary indicator of intraday price action here, and the daily ideally being in sync with the 4 hour, but obviously if price delivery is changing directions, it would likely lead on the 4 hour chart. But yeah, just basically seeing this large displacement happening over the course of yesterday, and then we get this pullback or retracement here happening in the overnight through the crypto open and through London here. And then if we come up here to the 60-minute, we can see we get this crossover, this moving average crossover here that initiates this downtrend, and now we get the crossover back to the long side here, potentially on pullback, and seeing this the moving averages here on the 4 hour converge. But looking for pullback back to this level, we can see here there is no pullback on this buy side delivery here that was from the crypto open through London here. You see price action stalled at this level here, which is now currently the high of the structural range here on the 60. Pull back to the 9 EMA here. And then we can see prices now being delivered back to the buy side. So if we can get this target here, what I'm seeing here from a liquidity standpoint is this is a liquidity pool up here of buy side liquidity for anyone who would have went short in this area. You can see that some of the liquidity up here has been tested and taken out by this candle here. So what is this? 107,799.8. And you can see all of these levels have been taken out, minus these levels back here. So there's still a liquidity pool resting right above these three candles here. So my entry is based on price action sweeping out the remainder of the liquidity, of the sell side liquidity, the buy side liquidity that's located right above this area here. And with this new 60-minute high coming in off of this pullback here, I like the probabilities of being able to potentially break out of this like flat top area. Also with this type of area here, like a double top or a flat area, similar to this area here, I believe just makes for an ideal target for sweeping liquidity. Anyone who might have gone short here, they get tested back here and get their buy stop triggered. So buy side liquidity here and buy side liquidity up here. So my trade idea for this morning is to finish sweeping out buy side liquidity in this area here, and then potentially for another leg down lower, which would potentially bring this moving average, the 9 below the 18, and bring price action to equilibrium or lower here. So if we check, so this would be my stop loss. So stop loss is above this daily candle here. The daily candle is 108,760.9. That's my stop right now, but my stop actually needs to be higher than this. Still 1.1. This needs to be my stop. This is my ticket here. So you can see my take profit is 101,971.8, which is 190% of this range, right? This Fibonacci range here. And then stop loss, you just saw it, so I changed it. And then for entry, it's right at this 79% level. Risking $5 here on this trade for a $33 profit, so about a 6.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio if this trade were to work out. But up here on the 60-minute, you can see stop just above here, and also seeing here this being the order block right here. So I would anticipate price to at least try to test this level or come near this level. But trying to work on being patient, trying to work on better risk to reward setups. I am a work in progress. Yesterday, definitely overtraded and lost some unnecessary capital, but keeping things small reduces the amount of capital lost and the amount of trades taken. So we'll see if today I'm able to restrain myself. Even with now, if I put up the retracement tool, we're already in an area where I could take profits if I wanted to, or I could take an entry if I wanted to go with the 62% level or the 70.5% level. But I want to consistently hold for the 79. Just like with price action, like with anything, like I've mentioned before, like a slingshot or any type of resistance band, anything where you're having to pull back in order to have enough resistance to propel something in the opposite direction. So wanting to see pullback back to the 79% level for, let's say, resistance band purposes in order to, let's say, slingshot or have price action move opposite of that resistance, or using that resistance to move in the opposite direction. So I can say from a patient standpoint, being so close to the entry and then having price move away is challenging, especially in this area right here. Seeing this large move up, just hit all the other entries, and then just shy of the entry I want, pull back, and now making a move back towards that. And also I could just come through here and get stopped out. But I'm confident if I were to enter here, price is immediately going to do this. So I'm just going to try to do a good job of waiting and let price come to me here this morning, if at all possible. Still well within my trading window. So we'll see if we're able to get some continuation here to the long side. Not much when it comes to economic data today. I think the only data that's out has already come out, and I'm not sure if the market is reacting to it or not. That news would have come out at 8:15, so about an hour and 15 minutes ago. That news would have come out. So we'll see if I've learned my lesson on a few things. But patience or impatience, the lack thereof of patience, has been my biggest challenge here. If I can be more patient, perhaps I would be more profitable. So price moving up a bit here, being delivered to the buy side, trading around the 107,450 level, currently at 107,468.8. So doing some consolidation here in this area as prices being delivered to the buy side after a reaction from the non-EMA here on the 60-minute. So we already have a new 60-minute high from the previous candle, and now there's been some retracement from the high of the current 60-minute candle. And now price is being delivered to the buy side now at the 107,480 level and consolidating here. So overall, this 60-minute candle has been buy side delivery, but there's been about a 50% retracement in that buy side delivery so far, or about a 40% retracement, let's say. So I'm trying to look for these moving average crossovers and then tracing pullback back to the crossover. Okay, let's do this. Moving average. EMA crossover on the 64-hour or daily. Okay. Let's say 3. Pull back. To OTE. Okay, trade idea is in sync with the EMA. On the 4-hour and ideal, wait for pullback to OTE. So you need EMA crossover, then market structure shift. Or break of structure. 64-hour daily. Okay, so essentially we want to break this down or simplify this. We can just say we want to be in the kill zone, either New York or London. We want an EMA crossover on the 60, the 4-hour, or the daily. We want a market structure shift or a break of structure, either with in tandem with the crossover, with the EMA crossover, or after the EMA crossover. Then wait for pullback to OTE. Okay, so New York kill zone, EMA crossover, market structure shift, break of structure on the 60. Okay. Okay. In sync with that. In sync with Okay. So we have New York kill zone or London kill zone for entries. EMA crossover on the 64-hour or daily. Market structure shift or breakup structure on the 64-hour or daily. In sync with the EMAs on the 4-hour and ideally the daily, and wait for pullback to OTE. So that's essentially what I'm looking to accomplish here. So to go over that, you want to be in a kill zone. So right now, trading in the New York kill zone. EMA crossover on the 4-hour, on the 64-hour or the daily. So I'm trading off of this crossover here on the 60 here, and there's also a crossover here on the 4-hour. So this checks off that box. And I would refer to the higher time frame. Market structure shift or breakup structure on the 64-hour or daily in sync with the EMAs on the 4-hour and ideally the daily. So breakup structure or a market structure shift. So getting the breakup structure or market structure shift, getting continuous ones there. So here, there's one here, there's one here, and here. But this coming off of the 4-hour, let's just refer to the higher time frame. So here, this would be the structure right here. So here, there's a market structure shift here. So this market structure shift extends all the way to here. So this criteria is being met. So market structure or market structure shift or breakup structure on the 64-hour daily. So we got a market structure shift on the 4-hour, and you want to be in sync with the EMAs on the 4-hour or at least the daily. So out of sync here with the daily, but in sync here with the 4-hour. So I'll lean here into the 4-hour. And then wait for pullback to OTE. So we have New York kill zone. We have an EMA crossover on the 4-hour. We have a market structure shift on the 4-hour. And now just waiting for the OTE. So this is what I have set up for a trade this morning. If all goes well, I'll be patient, and Bitcoin will provide an entry at the 79% level, which would be at a deep discount and give a favorable risk to reward of 6.5 to 1 on this trade if it were to work out here. But this is what I'm seeing here market-wide, just seeing some consolidation here after some buying after the crypto open and through London. Some pullback now. I would anticipate further retracement here with buying going into the New York Open, and then potentially I would imagine that this price action could test this order block here before potentially delivering price back to the sell side here. So this is what I'm anticipating this morning based off of my higher time frame analysis on the daily and the 4-hour. And this is on tilt trading with today's live crypto market open analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy. We'll see you next time.